Hi, this is Kelly Wright in San Francisco at the Money Show. With me, Mr. Harry Boxer, the technical trader. Probably forgotten more about technical analysis that you, me, and everybody here has collectively ever known. Harry, good to see you.
Pleasure.
You know what? I've heard from a lot of guys who are technical traders that the whole period of QE, call it 2008 till 2016, totally threw them for a loop. Didn't know how to use the technicals in their analysis anymore. I have a suspicion that you have a different opinion on that.
Totally different opinion. The technicals will tell you what to do at all times.
Okay.
So if there's an effect of quantitative easing or any other outside influence on the market, you'll show up in the charts. So you need to react to what the charts are telling you. Trade what you see, not what you think.
Ah, okay. So you got to get out of this.
Right.
Okay.
No question. Mindset is what will always hurt you. Joe Granville once said, the best way to trade a stock.
Wow. Joe Granville, I hadn't thought about that name in a long time.
I know. But Joe said that you'd be better off with a number on a chart, not a name of a company. Because then you'll get involved with what the fundamentals are, what the company does, what they make, their products. And it will skew your thinking for when it comes time to sell. You will think twice about selling it because of the fundamental story.
So you get emotionally involved because of
what a company is, what they do, what they...
Okay. So then you have a lot of biases, preconceived notions, because this is ABC company, we should have an XYZ outcome.
Like right now, marijuana stocks are popular. Everyone's excited about Canada is going to approve it. And so everyone thinks they're going to go to the moon. Now, I put swing trades on all of them, about 3 of them.
Okay.
Several times this year. CGC, cannabis, growth, Canopy growth.
Okay.
It went from 7 to 45, 46.
That'll work.
And
and that was in the charts. You saw it.
Oh yeah.
You saw it lining up.
It broke out. And
okay.
Tandem Diabetes, 4 to 40. I picked it at 410 off the charts.
So you didn't get the bottom.
No, I missed. The bottom was 2.
Okay. So then that leads me in. What are the charts showing you today?
Well, I was just talking to somebody at Warden Brothers about the fact that so many stocks are like spiking up. And it's bothersome. On a long-term basis, stocks have had big runs, and now they're spiking, which means it may be blowing off.
Okay.
The market may be in the final phase, I would call it. Like we call elderly people that are about to die end stage.
Okay.
I think the market may be an end stage, but we don't know if it's going to last 3 days, 3 weeks, or 3 months, or even a year.
So the Elliott guys would call this
fifth wave.
5 of 5.
Right.
Okay. What do we call those tall poles?
Flag poles?
Flag poles, yeah, that's something pole that you can show. Okay, that's interesting. We'll have to delve into that into another segment,
yeah.
Okay? All right, Harry, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
At the Money Show in San Francisco, I'm Kelly Wright with Harry Boxer.